Hello and good morning, everybody. I literally just woke up. It's like 7:30, and I could just feel through my window how beautiful it is outside. It's like cloudy but sunny, like chilly but warm. It's nice. So yesterday we had a rainstorm, and it kind of destroyed my garden. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of that damage and clean it up and probably get some fall plants started here since some things have been kaput. So here we go. So not everything was ruined. Look at this sunflower that opened. That makes me so happy. Fresh marigolds down there. That's gorgeous. So not all is lost. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So basically my sunflower, I've got one left and the rest have, they're spent. And I've had animals coming and enjoying them, which I don't too much mind because then they stay out of the garden. But the only thing is they leave their little droppings everywhere. And I'm like, clean up after yourself. So I'm going to cut a good amount of these down today and see what seeds I can get. Slight problem. I'm not tall enough to get the mammoth down. I tried, I'm not tall enough. Well, the sun is now coming up, and that was exhausting. Now, I've been watching the birds feed on this for weeks, so I know I wasn't going to get much, but let me show you. Look at what they left me. Nothing. Not one seed. And this was my best sunflower, so I really wanted to save a seed. That's okay. I'm still going to take the leaves off and use the stalk as a support system for my tomatoes. So I came out to check on my favorite tomatoes, the green zebra, which everybody knows at this point I've been enjoying, and it's literally fallen over. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been out here trying to tie it up because I don't know if it was top heavy and I wasn't pruning properly, but I've been trying to tie it up because this whole top portion was just whoosh. So it's at this point like a tomato jungle, and I'm using the sunflower stake that I just took to try to wrangle the madness. I need to prune it. I'm just gonna cut it. okay. I mean, I feel like it could definitely look worse, but what's most important is it's off the ground and it's upright so none of the branches will break. Let's see. So just in case that whole fiasco wasn't enough, I just found, I believe they're called cutworms, in my Roma tomatoes. So like I saw it climbing on the vine, and then I saw holes in a couple of the tomatoes. So I'm gonna go and hand pick right now, and then I'm gonna try a little diatomaceous earth. But you know what, like, I'm so over these Roma tomatoes anyway. I might just pull up the plant depending on what's gonna happen with my fall crops right now. What an irritating day to be a gardener. It started off so nice too. What's happening to me? So on to the next problem. I've lost another cucumber plant. So I'm not positive what happened, but this clearly needs to come out. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take this cucumber plant out too, because though it looks really healthy up here, all of the cucumbers keep dying. They're not actually making it to full cucumbers anymore. And the bottom looks really bad. Really, really bad. So, oh, there's a cucumber right there. Well, that defeats my story. But it doesn't look great. So, you know, it needs to come out. Like, look at that. I'm thinking cucumber beetles, but I'm not an expert, so don't take my word on it. I'm not too mad at the rain now that I just pruned a little bit, and look at all of these melons. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this big chunker right here. 6 up here. Let's see. Oh, 7 right in front of my face. 8 down here. Oh, no, missed one. 9 in there. That's insane. Oh, I forgot the one that traveled over here. 10. 10 down there. So basically I just found more squash vine borer eggs, which I thought was impossible because it's August. It's possible, and I'm finding them, and so now I must demolish my squash plant. Alright, I've had just about all I can take this morning, so that's all I'm going to be able to get done for now. See you in the next one. Look at my dog. Daisy, we don't eat flowers. I'll take that. My okra just poked me in my butt.